In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix there is a problem with the request error in ChatGPT. Let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, enable airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find ChatGPT and launch it. Head over to the section permission. Make sure you have allowed it all the permission for ChatGPT. Next up, head back, go to the main page of settings. Now go to the option general. Click on the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find ChatGPT and launch it. Now click on Upload app and confirm it. This will clear cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Now check if you are connected to any VPN. For that, head back, click on the option VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. Lastly, update your ChatGPT app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app ChatGPT. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on that and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.